So today I am trying to get myself back into cooking. I have not cooked since the passing of my son, and Alex has been very understanding. So he enjoys pasta, so I am going to make him um, pork chops with Alfredo pasta for dinner. I'm going to season up these pork chops with my favorite Lowry seasoned salt. I'm not going to put a whole lot because he doesn't like a lot of seasoning on his food, so I try to respect his wishes. He also loves peas, so I cooked these peas earlier and I'm going to add that into his pasta as well. And this Rao's pasta, I don't know how it came up in my feed, but I'm on an Italian lady's cooking station on Instagram, and she said that this is one of the better brands, and you should always look for bronze die cut pasta. If your pasta is white, don't buy it. And no, I do not drain my pasta. I let it sit in the water and I add it directly to my dish because she says you are not supposed to rinse your pasta because it helps hold that sauce onto it. And I'm just gonna add these pork chops. I add a little seasoning to my Alfredo sauce, and now I'm just gonna pour it on top, and I hope he enjoys his meal. Thank you, babe.